stocks or whatever the fuck, right? Like, you need to understand this, and you need to just fucking.
What's good, you guys? Right now, as you saw, I was driving on the highway. Right now, I'm going to my eye doctor to pick my glasses for, the rest of the year or however long else I have them. Right now, I got the Ray-Ban style glasses. I had this for a minute. These are the glasses I have now. I'll be wearing them when I'm driving or just at random. I'll be wearing them. But yeah, you guys, I'm gonna go in here, see what they got, pick which ones I want. Then they're gonna put my prescription in them, and then probably ship them to me, or I come back and get them. It's good, guys. So I did get my 2 pairs of glasses just now. Just walked out the store. I got it for $72. That was a little copay that they gave me. So overall, that was pretty good. 2 pairs of glasses. I got Ray-Bans and I got some other pair of glasses. That was on the little normal side of things. But yeah, overall that went well. Now I'm gonna catch y'all in the next clip. Hair looking dusty.
Getting a quick little fit.
Bro, you look at you?
Hell no,
Yo, it's your boy, Swag Yo. I'm back with another video. I know y'all saw the last clip. The last clip is from like 2 days ago. So I was like, shoot, let me pick up the camera, finish this video, and we back. So right now we on the way to church. About to head down, get the word of the Lord. Then after that, we gonna check out this event. And this is the main event. This event is called Slammedenuff. It's gonna be hella cars there, hella people. We're gonna record. We're gonna get some good, B-roll probably. We just gonna have a good day today. And then also, I think I'm gonna go by Target too, if we got a little bit of time before Slammedenuff. We're gonna go by Target and get me some more body wash. We're gonna check out another Dove body wash. We're gonna see what it's about. But yeah, we on the way to church, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later probably.
Extroverts love it. We're meeting new friends, making business deals, getting dates, all that stuff. Anyway, I'm at this church and I'm by myself. And a guy.
What's good, y'all? So right now I'm just getting in the car. Let me see something real quick, guys. Today's service was pretty good, I would say. I took some little notes down. About to look at them. Hold on a second. Today's service said, kindness tears off labels and speaks life into the person. And they also gave us a little bracelet here. It says unusual kindness. Y'all can see it. I'm trying to, yeah, it's probably backwards or something like that. But it says unusual kindness. So kindness tears off labels and speaks life into the person. I believe it was saying like, when we see somebody, we seem to judge them first, or we got a stereotype of a certain type of person, and we seem as a person we look at him, we're like, oh, we're not going to give that person a chance, or we're not going to talk to him because he looks like this, or because he did this, and we saw him. But like, if you just be kind to that person, or you do something like unusually kind, they're never going to forget that. Because you were like really kind to them when no one else showed them that like somebody could be kind to them. Like maybe they thought like, oh, this is just the worst day ever, or nobody's gonna do anything for me. You went out your way and you showed them that, okay, somebody can be nice to me, or there are nice people in the world. So like today was the day to say, be unusually kind. Or just go just do something like once a week, be kind to people. Like, it doesn't really matter. I'm kind to people all the time. So like, yeah, man, be overly nice sometimes. So yeah, that was pretty much the word. Church was pretty good to me. I liked it. Good service. Let's go and get into the next thing. I gotta go to the car dealership right quick. What's going on, guys? So I just pulled up on my Kia Cat, Mr. Kenneth. It's kind of sad, but this is your last look at Kia Kenneth, the cat. I will never see Kenneth again. You guys are gonna see my new car in a little bit. It's kind of crazy, man. This was my first car, but yeah, man. Touch him one last time. Right now, I'm just getting some stuff out of the glove box over here. Yeah. No more Kenneth. I'm gonna show you guys my new car in a little bit. We got a little Toyota for y'all. A lot of you guys are probably new or just seeing me on this channel. Right now, this is my old car that I just traded in. Kia the Kenneth Cat. I never really called him a cat, but I'm just calling it that now. It's just my last look around, Kenneth. A lot of memories in here, man. A lot of memories. But we're out. Alright, you guys, we are on the way to Slammedenuff. Should be a pretty good showing. I'm pretty excited about it, honestly. Let me get the camera on me. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. I can't wait to see all the different cars that's out there. It actually already started. It started at 1, but I'm on the way. It's 1:36, so you know, we getting what we paid for. I paid like $20. I'm like, shit, I'm gonna be there. But yeah, it should be like crazy cars. It can't get shut down because it's like, I think it's run by like Charleston or something like that. So you know, it's gonna be lit. I feel like. I hope so. Make sure y'all like the video though. Make sure y'all like the video. Make sure y'all like the video, because that's the only way this video is gonna get pushed out. I'm gonna need y'all to like. If you haven't watched the last video, go watch the last video. Go watch the video before that, and go watch the video before that, because I need y'all to watch the videos. Make sure y'all like the videos. I'm gonna be saying that a lot throughout the video, because y'all haven't been liking. I already had to pay for parking, so that's $30 right there. I feel like it was kind of dumb. Like, we gotta pay $10 for the parking, then $20 to get inside the place. And I'm like, bro, what? Like, they just racking up the cash for real. Like, there's no way. But anywho, let's go to get inside. Get a couple B-rolls for you guys, and that's about it, I guess. And we parking our cars outside, bro. Like, at least let us park our cars inside of the parking garage. By the way, this is the new car. Let me know what I should name him. Got a little Toyota Camry. Look at the side view. With the bloody red seats. This is tough. My bad. This is low-key hard right here. What kind of Honda is this? What? This is smooth, I'm not gonna lie. What is that? It's like a goddamn GTA. Huh. This is crazy. Look at the wheel. That's like the Tesla wheel. This is a freaking Tesla, bro. All right, y'all. That's about it. They just revving cars out here pretty much. I think this is probably gonna be the end of the vlog. Probably gonna catch you guys in the next vlog. It's gonna be me heading to Target, getting some more hygiene, some more body wash, things like that. But I'm gonna catch y'all later. Looks like it's about to rain, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos.